man. Oh, Jolly. Ciao, Jolly. Buonasera, buonanotte. Buonanotte, my dearest. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and have a nice wake up tomorrow. I understand. I need to be quite early as well, so this is really... Engine is on. Engine 1, please.
Starting engine 1.
We have the dogs in the cargo. We have dogs in the cargo, yes. Strobe auto. This is on, this is on, this is on. Okay, the signs. And a bit of light in here, please. Let's go, boys. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Park brake is on.
Thank you, man. Let's go. Hello, Ralph. Hello, sir. Welcome back. Okay, so we're gonna set the... Let me do something here. Speed brakes. Spoilers arm.
Burn spoilers on.
Yeah. This is number 3. And flaps 1, please.
Flaps 1.
Nice. Oh man. Carvo, do I need to let them back in? Yes. The YOLO train, yes. Oh, that way. Sorry. Bye bye Amsterdam. Bye bye Schiphol. Sorry. Can't really say it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. Carva, you're not doing a YOLO taxi here, huh? This is not a YOLO taxi, Carva. Flap, go in front. I'll follow Carva. Wow, this is a long train, isn't it? Look at that. A long YOLO train. Nice. Oh, Carve is changing the CSLs. Oh, okay. You can see people aligned. No. Raf, you can follow. You're more than welcome to follow, but there's the no subscribe option. It's all for free, man. It's all for free. Opens the plane door, like $69 aboard. Nice, Carvo, nice. Well, we have a lot. Oh, nice. Nice taxi song. Yes. Mr. Sion, yes. Can you join us, Sion? Would you like to join us? It would be lovely to fly together, man. It would be so fucking awesome. Tomorrow, though, I'm hoping. Flyboy, no worries, man. No worries. We'll probably go, I mean, it's gonna take a while to taxi anyway. Maybe I should get moving a little more. Come on. Long one, huh? Very, very long. Hello, Paulio. Hello. We're going to Dublin. Dublin. Here we go. Alright, so here we are taking the highway. Highway number, interstate number, whatever.
I don't know what it is. I just always have
Oh,
a
nice.
sense of
Nice unit, thank you.
And then at the same time,
Here we go.
always been drawn to fucking everything up.
Bye-bye, triple.
You feel so free, like no one can depend on you. No one expects anything from you.
Wow, look at that. Parallel takeoff would be awesome. Well, this is just a taxiway. Next is holding short. Nice. And we're getting there. We're gonna get ya. Coming to get ya. Nice. Thank you. Oh, look at this. The bridge. Ah, the cars go underneath here, guys. Nice. Very nice. Wow, next is going already. Come on. Yes. All right, boys. Let's start. Let's start. Let's go. I'll follow you. Let's do a takeoff all together. Come on. Everything is set. Everything is ready. Sounds. Flight director is on. Never been to Amsterdam, better. No one. All right. Let's go. Almost done. Magic Supper. Nice. Look at that. Okay, Carva, go. I'll follow you, man. There's all rotations there. A line is rotating, about to. Next is already on. Everything is on. Everything is set. Come on. Flight control checks. Yeah, they work. Let's go. Yes, look at that. All right, more sound. Less of this. All right, and Carva is going, and we're going as well. In 3, 2, 1, come on. Flex.
Power set.
Thank you. Oh, the clock. There. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Come on.
100 knots.
Thank you. Check. Carva is rotated.
V1. Rotate.
Oop. Up.
Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear.
Thank you. And off we go. Yeah, it's a jar, so unfortunately, yeah, fly-by-wire is quite improved, but not as much as you would expect. And climb thrust. Here we go. And we're on flight, guys. We're online. The total flight time is 79 minutes from now. And pitching down to get the speed. Okay, stay there. And flaps up.
Speed check. Flaps 0.
Ah, nice. Right, still accelerating nicely, so I'm gonna keep it around 10 and then do the tour myself, I guess. Yes, let's do it. Fly-by-wire not too shabby at the moment. Okay, up. So let me wait a bit until we can get the autopilot on. Hopefully we'll be able to... Yeah, now I think. Maybe. It's a lot of bass. Too much. Wait, I need to change something here. It's not this. It's not this. It's not this. Could it be one of these? Wait. No, it's not. Okay. We're already turning. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna change another one. Engines, maybe the engines? No. Then there's only the cockpit, really. No, that's already the one. Yeah, no, there's the cockpit, actually. Oh, there you go. Wait. Still too much. Is it kind of distorting for you as well? Maybe like this? But then if I go here... Wow, I don't know why there's so much of effect, but it's okay. Now it's okay. This is the last leg, guys. Really? Hearing this stuff on a replay must be one of the best things ever. Flap is very low. Very, very low. I see Ireland. Hello, Ireland. Yes. Good evening, Pedro. Good evening, sir. Welcome back. You're in perfect timing for our approach into Dublin. I will probably pause the next song because we're about to get down, baby. So, what is it, the next one? Okay, we're localizing. You don't overshoot QPAC master. Oh man, I should download the QPAC. Tomorrow QPAC, guys. Maybe. 30 miles from Dublin, Flyboy. Nice, man. You're there as well. And we're about to descend. I need to get to 141. Okay. Almost now. Let's say 142, 143. Down.
$500.
Fuck, you're loud. Sorry. It's very loud, guys.
$400.
Here we go. Come on.
$300.
100 above.
Minimum.
I don't know if I'm centered, but okay. I'm gonna follow it.
100.
I'm not centered. Fucker.
50. 40. 30. 20. Retard.
Broken spoilers. Add drag. Reverse green.
Wow.
knots.
They're happy. I don't know if I would be so happy, but it was a good one nonetheless. Mediocre, it's okay. I take it, guys. I take it. Off, taxi, and flaps up.
Flaps 3, flaps 2, flaps 0.
No vodka spill, thank you. Nice. I'm happy to hear that. It was a bit floaty, but yeah, I think, yeah. Maybe there's a high precision joy. Oh, next is landing. Oh, look at that. We're gonna watch his touchdown live from the dick pit. Wow. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh my god, next. That must have been 10 FPM. Congratulations. A lovely one. Where am I going here? Let's go. So 1 hour, 11 minutes. The jetway is moving next plane, yes. Sometimes. Align is landing, Carver is about to land. You greaser, yes, definitely. Definitely, that was a lovely greaser. Alright, welcome to Dublin, guys. Runway turn off, yeah, why not? Well, no, we don't really need that. Let's follow flap. Are you getting on that taxiway? No, you shouldn't be on that taxiway. You should be on the next one. Yes, okay. This one here. Wow, guys. That was nice. Terminal 2, yes. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how beautiful is this scenery for Dublin. It's almost identical. Alright, so we're gonna probably park in Terminal 1 though, because it's closer to the car parks. Terminal 2, like, I don't know, but Terminal 2 very often you you get a flight from Terminal 2 and then you have to walk all the fucking way up to Terminal 1 to get your flight. Which is a bit of, I don't know, it's quite crazy sometimes, but it's okay. Tears. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Look at that. Let me see outside. There. Overnight to Sydney? Yeah, I wish, man. I wish. I need to actually go almost immediately. Almost. Oh no, Flappy is going for Terminal 2. Nice. Okay, Terminal 2 then. Lisbon soon, man. Soon, damn. Don't worry. If you come back in, if you keep watching, at some point we're gonna fly to Lisbon as well. And because I also wanna do a Lisbon Madeira. I wanna do that kind of flight. Well, soon I don't know. I don't know when, but soon enough, hopefully. Because I love Madeira. I wanna do that approach. Dominican Republic. Why not? Why not? We've been there, as a matter of fact. I think. So we probably went there already. I will go again. Warsaw. Oh, there is all the sceneries. All the pack of sceneries, the Polish airports. That would be another nice purchase, probably. Is that a gate? Yes, it is. Yes, I'm gonna park here, guys, in the middle. In the middle of Terminal 1 still. We're on time? I believe so, next. I hope. I haven't checked. Isn't Madeira really tough? It is quite tough, I think, yes. Yes, I think it's gonna be very tough for us. Okay, so we're gonna get this gate, yes. Which is 303. And see, keep an eye there in case the guys are landing. Madeira is fine, just don't... yeah, exactly, it's easy. Alright, here we are. Hello. Unfortunately, we don't have any auto gate here, but they should actually put one. Hello. Hello, Flappy. Alright, very close. Boom. Ta-da! We are online.
Park brake is on.
Nice. Off, off, off. And everything is off here. Open the doors. Ah, well. Thank you so much. Next, thank you. Here we go. Let's see, Flap. Yes. Look at that. Look at
50, 40, 30, 20.
Could have been better. Maybe we can make, yeah, from this.
30,
Oh, nice.
100,
Nice, Flap, thank you. Here we go.
200.
It's been lovely, Align. Yes, it is. It was. No, Flyboy has crashed. Fuck. That's not nice, man. You respond by playing Align and join FSCloud again.
100.
Yeah, well. At least we see your landing.
50, 40, 30, 20.
I wasn't too bad, come on. Need to test that next time. Oh wow. Which is our bye-bye, our good night until tomorrow, I would say. I think tonight we can stay classic with still some Japan, okay. Let me see if I actually had queued something. 335,000 monies, freak, thank you so much, very nice, very nice. CHTK, thank you for the follow, thank you very much, sir. The engines are definitely off at the moment, I hope. Carva is going for the parking, yes. We're gonna set the plane here, alright, the view here, and then we'll of course go to space at some point. And guys, thank you so much for flying together. Thank you Flap, thank you Next, thank you Carva, thank you Align, thank you my dearest guys, thank you Freak, thank you Frungi, thank you Flyboy, thank you very much, sir. And thank you Professofa, of course, again. Tina, did I say maybe? Yes. Next, thank you. Junior, I'm going in just in the chat. Huh? Who else is here? Matt, Dam.